Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel and to this video that's going to be a bit of a playtime with the new Devinah shadows that I put in a good organization and then I just ruined it. Okay, we are back. This is what they look like. Devinah came out with a green collection and I am actually going away today. I'm going to a dinner in Stockholm with Pixie Beauty, which is so amazing and so flattering, but I have to be myself, and I'm also always wearing color, even though I know Pixie it maybe isn't all about color. I am all about color, so I am wearing this green look today. I'm going to Stockholm quite soon, like in an hour, and I'm going there for I'm coming there at lunch, and I'm gonna go shopping, and I'm gonna meet up with Fanny, and we are going to a PR firm and just saying hi. So I'm super excited about that. And if you are following me on Instagram, you will have seen this in Instagram stories. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I do post a lot of stuff on Instagram, like swatches, product pictures, selfies, pictures of my pets. I post a lot of things that I haul, like PR or stuff that I buy on my stories. And also when I'm out and away and I'm not vlogging, I will be showing you on my stories. Enough about that. Enough about me plugging my Instagram. I love Instagram though, so I would be happy to see you on my Instagram. This is the new green collection by Devinah. I have swatched this for my Instagram. I'll put up the picture here so you can see how that one looks. I will say that this is, from what I have felt, like how they feel when I swatch them and how they worked on my eyes, I would say that these are the typical Devinah formula. They're a bit creamy when you touch them, but they are very kick-uppy and very soft, which means that they blend very good on the eyes, but you have to be a bit careful so you don't overblend, because it's very easy to just carry them like forever because they're very easily blendable. I think that this is a really nice formula. I use them over a primer that I haven't set with any eyeshadows, but they also do work if you like to set your eyes before. They work on that as well. They do build on each other. I have 3 different mattes on my eyes today. They're pretty similar in tone. It's these 3 here, so the distinction between them aren't that much, but there are some distinction between these shades though. I mean, for instance, if you used a couple of these together aren't that close in tone, you won't get a monochromatic eye like this. I feel like this is mostly a collection if you have some singles and you want to expand your collection with some greens, because finding a lot of matte greens like these, because these are all matte, is not that easy, to be honest. Usually most single collections, brands with singles, they have 1 or 2 greens, and sometimes they're not even mattes. So I do feel like this is a good complement to a singles collection. I'm very happy that I have them. I will be trying them with some shimmers as well, because now I'll have a matte eye on. And yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to say. This isn't the proper review. This is just thoughts after a first impression and after swatching them. But I think that was everything. I will try and remember and leave some other videos about Devinah down below, because I have a lot of videos about Devinah. This collection is already live at Devinah's site. It is pretty new though. I know a couple of shades are sold out, at least now when I'm filming this, but she usually restocks everything, and I don't think that these are limited edition. I think this is a addition to her line, because she has a lot of really good shadows in every color you can imagine. Did get sent these as PR. Just so you know, I am affiliated with Devinah, so she does send me her collections as PR for me to review if I want to, because if I don't want to, I don't have to. And I think that was everything. I do have a code with Devinah. If you do want to order from Devinah and save some money, it's for 20% off, which is a pretty good discount, to be honest. Her single shadows are $5 each, so they're only $4 if you put the discount on. My discount is Angelica 20. I will put that down below as well. You can always find all of the info down in the description box. I put so much info in the description box. It's not even funny. It takes me forever to edit, and I hope you appreciate it. If you do you read the description box? If not, I could just stop putting so much info there, because I don't know, sometimes I sit there and I do it for an hour and I'm like, is anyone reading this? Anyways, I'm gonna go into a demo now of this look right here, but actual Angie, real life Angie, she's going to Stockholm now. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be shopping. I'm gonna be hanging out with Fanny. I will also leave her Instagram down below. Go check her out. She has really good makeup looks, and she also does amazing flat lace and product shots, so do check her out. And I'm gonna have a great day. I'm so excited. Okay, let's just get into the demo part. Okay, so my face is almost done. I don't have a lippy on though. I only have some lip oil from NYX. It's really, really nice. They sent it to me. but I really like it. I will link it down below if you want to see which one I am be wearing on my lips. It's super comfortable. So these are the green shades, and I think I'm going to be using these three. Let me see what they're called. Elphaba, Grinch, and Patina. Those are the three I think I will be using because I want to do something fun and green because I am going to Stockholm today. Probably said that in the intro. So I'm going to start with this one that's called Elphaba. Is that correct? I hope so. And I'm going to put that all over my crease as a transition shade because I think that's going to be like my main lid color as well. Maybe I'll pull in some white like for my inner corners. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'll put that all over my crease, and I have put a primer down. I am always using an eyeshadow primer, and I never set my eyeshadow primer. So I'm just gonna see if I can work this into my crease. The Devinah shadows normally has some, like, they're pretty soft, so they do have some kick up in the pan, but they're very like buttery to the touch and soft, much like how the Anastasia mattes feel. Very soft and creamy. I would say except some of the like purples, like really purpley reds and reds, because there's something about the red pigment that makes a shadow feel a bit more dry. You have probably noticed that as well with some like red shadows that you have at home. I have heard, I don't know from where, I've heard that has something to do with the red pigment. But they're still very pigmented. Like my red shadows from Devinah are some of my best red shadows in my collection. They're absolutely stunning. This is a pretty color. I do have some fallout. That's what happens when you blend ferociously and take too much color in a really soft eyeshadow. I should learn, but I never do. I feel like that blended really nice. I'm gonna put a bit more down here. Okay, so this is the look with just the first color. I'm gonna use the second color now, the one that's called Grinch. It's more of a darker one. Let me see if I can show you like how they compare next to each other. You see, this is the one I've been using now, and now I'm using this one. It's just a tad darker, but it still has that same like grassy, nature-esque tone. And I'm putting this in the crease as well. I am just using a smaller brush, and I'm not gonna take it as high up. I wanna have a bit of a gradient, you know? Not doing like a super advanced eye because I don't have the time, and I also just want to have something pretty and green. Okay, I'm going into the last one now, that's called Patina. On a smaller brush, I'm just gonna deepen up the outer V with this one. And I think I'm gonna put it on like half the outer part of the lid. Wow, grammar, out the window. And then I'm gonna put the lighter one on the inner half. I'm also putting some of that patina under my eyes. I'm using a bit of the NYX Faux Blacks in, I think it's called Black Olive. I'm gonna use some of that first lighter green now, Elphaba, and I'm just gonna put that on the lid. I'm gonna do some liner and some mascara. I'm also gonna go fetch a white matte shadow because I want to match that with this eye look, and I'll be right back and show you how that looks. Okay, liner and mascara is on, and this is what it looks like. I also put some white in my like inner corners and a bit here on the brow bone. I used the white from the Riviera palette. I'm having a bit like tired eyes today. Like, I don't know. Am I getting this old? Maybe. It's not impossible. So I'm not entirely sure about my wing. It's looking a bit sad, but that's how life is sometimes. I'm gonna put the falsies on. I'm gonna do some iconic lights, and I'm also gonna put on, because I brought this lippy out because I was really wanting to wear this. This is like a Girls Got Needs by MAC. I think it's limited edition, but I really felt like wearing it today. So I'm gonna fix that and I'll be right back. Okay, so the look is finished. I've got the iconic lights on, and something is itchy. Itchy, 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 itchy. Oh, I think it's pretty. I like this. The lippy is on, and As you can see, I do have some fallout now in the palette after I use this, much like some other like softer shadows. This is basically how these shadows behave. I do like this look. I'm very happy that I'm wearing something colorful when I'm going away today. It's not that good weather outside though, so maybe I should like have a hat on or something. Also not gonna be wearing my PJs, but they were green, so I was like, they get to stay for the look. Yeah, that was everything for this video. Please do leave a comment down below if you want to ask something, and I'll also leave some Devinah videos down below so you can check out. I hope I don't forget. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which is probably gonna be tomorrow. Bye!